This is how you crochet the V-stitch. This one is super beginner friendly. I'm going to start with any even number of chains, and I'm going to add my first 2 double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. This will be my first V, and then I'm going to skip 2 chains and add 2 more double crochet into the 3rd chain. I'm going to repeat that pattern all the way until the end of my foundation row, but I'm only going to put 1 double crochet into the very last chain. The 3 chains we skipped at the beginning of this row are the first stitch. So we're going to chain 3 for our turning chain for row 2, and then we are going to turn our work and work in between the double crochet stitches. So I'm not inserting into the stitch, I'm inserting between the posts of the stitches. And I'm going to add 2 double crochet in between each set of 2 double crochet, and that is going to give me the V shape. If this was too fast for you, the extended version is going to be in the comments, and be sure to like and follow for more. This is how you crochet the foundation row of the V stitch. I'm going to start with any even number of chains, and then I'm going to put 2 double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. That is going to be the base for my first V, and then I'm going to skip 2 chains and add 2 more double crochet into the 3rd chain, and I'm going to repeat that all the way until the end of the row, but I'm only going to put 1 double crochet into the very last chain. The chain 3 here at the beginning, or the 3 chains we skipped, are considered the first double crochet of the row, and at the end of row 2 we are going to put our last double crochet into the top of that chain. This is a very beginner friendly stitch. All you need to know is how to make a double crochet. I do have a video on that in my Crochet 101 playlist. And if you like these kind of close-up stitch tutorials, be sure to like and follow because I post them every single day on my page. And if you have any questions about this stitch, another stitch, a project, or you would like to request a stitch or a project, you can leave that in the comments of any of my videos. If I can't answer your questions in words, I will make a video response. Right now I'm posting a minimum of 1 stitch tutorial a day. I would like to crank out more, but I'm about to take my finals and wish me luck. But row 2 is going to be in the comments, so I'll see you there. This is row 2 of the V-stitch. I'm going to chain 3 for my turning chain, and then I'm going to add 2 double crochet in between the 2 double crochet from row 1. I'm not working into the stitch, but I'm working in between the posts of the double crochet. This is going to give my 2 double crochet from the foundation row that V shape I'm looking for. I'm going to add 2 double crochet in between every single set of double crochet all the way until the end, and then I'm going to put 1 double crochet on top of the 3 chains that we skipped. So it's going to be the one right before the very first official double crochet. But you can see that if you watch the video all the way until the end. This is, like I said, a very beginner friendly stitch. You just repeat row 2 all the way until your swatch reaches the height that you're looking for. I do have a correction. You only skip 1 chain in the foundation row. I said 2 chains in both the original video and the foundation row video, and then I rewatched it while listening to me talking, and it was wrong. I'm probably making a bigger deal out of it than it is, but I am a little embarrassed, so I want to make that clear. I don't like making mistakes. But that's it for the verbal instructions. You're very welcome to watch the rest of the video to see how the end of the row is worked. If you have any questions about this stitch or another stitch, or you would like to request a stitch, you can leave that in this comment or any other comment of my videos. And if you like these kind of close-up stitch tutorials, be sure to like and follow. I post them every single day on my page. But I hope you have a good night. Bye!